Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making the perfect summer treat, my salted caramel no-churn ice cream. This 4-ingredient treat is so easy to make and I can't wait to show you guys how to do it. This 4-ingredient recipe is so easy to make and it's perfect for summer. Plus you get to make homemade ice cream that tastes even better than store-bought. So you guys only need 4 simple ingredients to make my salted caramel ice cream at home. First, you want to make sure that you have my homemade true caramel sauce made. This is the secret ingredient for this ice cream and it's going to make it taste so good. I will link my caramel recipe in the description. Next, you're going to need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and then of course sea salt because this is going to be salted caramel. If you just want plain caramel, then you don't need to have the sea salt. And you guys can totally add different add-ins to this salted caramel ice cream. You could do mini dark chocolate chips, you could add in cookies if you want, you could add in brownie pieces if you want. So the first step is to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to a stand mixer with the whisk attachment. If you guys want to use a hand mixer for this, you can totally do that as well, it's up to you. Then we're going to whisk this starting on low to avoid splattering. Then we're going to gradually increase the speed as the mixture starts to thicken. We're basically just making whipped cream here. Once the cream is nice and thick, just like this, then it's done. Next, you're going to add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk into the whipped cream. Make sure to get all of it. Then you're just going to fold this together until you have a smooth and creamy mixture. Once the sweetened condensed milk and cream are combined into a smooth consistency, then comes the fun part. So now we're going to make our salted caramel. So I already have my caramel sauce made here, and if you don't want to do salted caramel, then you can just skip this step and just use the caramel. But I'm going to add about half a cup of caramel and 1 teaspoon of sea salt to this small bowl and mix it up. Now we're going to start layering our ice cream with the caramel sauce. And I have an 8-inch cake pan here. You guys could use an 8-inch pan, you could use a 9-inch pan. You could also just put this directly into like a Tupperware airtight container that you want to store your ice cream in too. So I'm going to add about 1/3 of the ice cream mixture into the cake pan. Spread it out evenly. Then you're just going to take the salted caramel and drizzle it all on top of the ice cream. And then you can take your spoon and just swirl it in. And now if you guys want to add in chocolate chips, brownie bits, or cookie bits, you would also do a layer of this right now. So let's add some mini dark chocolate chips to this because I know it's going to be so delicious. So then I'm just going to add these right on top. And now you're just going to do this 2 more times. Add another layer of ice cream, another little drizzle of caramel swirl. We're going to add our chocolate chips because we're doing that, but it's totally optional. And then repeat again. The hardest part of this salted caramel ice cream is going to be waiting for it to chill. Now it's time to pop this in the freezer and let it sit overnight. And now you have delicious homemade salted caramel ice cream that is the perfect summer treat. If you guys want more easy organic recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.